Here for the next few minutes, we're going to talk about managing files and folders inside of Google Drive. By default, Google structure is that folders will appear at the top and files that are not in folders will appear toward the bottom. You'll see here at the top I have some ways to resort them. But if I do descending order, you can see it still has folders at the top, files are at the bottom. If you want a folder to always be at the top, I would suggest starting it with a number or a special character, and that will force it to the top above alphabet letters. If you need to create a folder, you're going to go to New, Add a Folder. So I'm going to give it a name. Google will insert it right here in my list in alphabetical order. So right there it is. And so I actually have some things that needs to go in that folder. So I'm going to click, hold, and drag because I need those two files right there. If that doesn't work for you, you can hold down Command and click on your trackpad and do that. And I'm going to right click and I'm going to go to Move To. And so you'll see here's all those file folders you've been seeing. And I want to go right here to the Google Forms and click Move Here. So it's going to pull it out of my main drive and add them right there. I think I saw a couple of other ones that needs to be moved, so we'll do the same thing again. Move. So if I don't want to right click, I can come up here to the three dots and go to Move To and scroll down and find my folder. And you can see the ones that we just moved through there. Now if for some reason I'm like, you know what, I really want these to be separate, I can make a new folder right here on the fly. It will put a new folder right here inside of the Google Forms folder, but I'm good for this, so we're going to do Move Here. Again, it gives me that choice to undo in case I made a bad decision, but I'm good with that. If I have something in here I need to delete from my Google Drive, all I need to do is click on the file I want to get rid of and go to the trash can. You will notice that my folders are all different colors. Kind of helps me stay organized in some wild and crazy way. So if I want to change my file folder color, I'm going to click on that folder, right click, make a change, and you'll see the changes for my colors are not a lot.